On May 5, 2025, the Supreme Court of India held a short procedural hearing on petitions challenging the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. The bench, led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and including Justices Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Vishwanathan, decided to transfer the case to Justice B.R. Gavai's bench for a detailed hearing on May 15. Just before his retirement on May 13, no interim order was passed. The controversial act has been challenged by several petitioners, including AIMM leader Asaduddin Owaisi, AAP leader Amanatullah Khan, and the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. They argue that the amendments violate Articles 25 and 26 of the Constitution, which guarantee religious freedom and the right to manage religious affairs. The union government and BJP-ruled states like Madhya Pradesh and Assam support the act, saying it improves transparency. The next hearing on May 15, 2025 will be crucial. Justice B.R. Gavai's bench will hear detailed arguments and may consider interim relief.